All right, let's get right into it. The trade of the day here on the Nasdaq. What were we looking for? What was the setup? How did it all play out? Well, we talked about this idea of the market pushing up at open. We pushed up, we got denied, and guess what happened? We pulled right back down. The ES got stuck at its high from the overnight, a little bit lower than its high, and then it started selling back down. We had a pivot point here. We love those pivot points. A pivot point there at the 27s. We had the VWAP right there. So my plan here was for a break below the VWAP. We had the 15-minute range breakout right there. And look at how beautifully this played out, right? Through the 15-minute opening range. Look at this. Look at it. Just look at it here. Look at that thing. So we broke to the downside. We got below the VWAP right there. We sell through the VWAP nicely. We had this kind of low. I talked about this kind of idea of breaking through the VWAP, getting through this. Look at that 1 minute candle just from the 97 straight down there to the 80s. A beautiful momentum candle to enter a trade on for a short. I got short there, and then we had this beautiful move down. Had a little bit of hesitation to break through that 15-minute range, but like I said live on YouTube, once we broke that 15-minute range, guess what? We're going down, down, downtown. And guess what? Well, did I say guess what enough? Guess what, my friends? We went lower. We hit that 21 pivot, 22 pivot down there, and well, look at it. Look where it's at now. It's still going lower. So the best part about this is, let's just say you got no indicators, you got nothing, you don't know what to do, you're a new trader. Well, you just try to figure it out. What do I do, Patrick? I just don't know what to do. Well, what you do is simply wait for the first 15-minute candle to close. That's the 9:30 to 9:45 candle. Once it closes, what do? You then look for a setup. All right, so we got the 15-minute candle there. Okay, cool. Okay, right. Perfect. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame now. Okay, guess what? We broke to the downside. We broke through there. I can get short here, or I can wait for kind of a retest. But in general, we know those pivot points love to get touched. We got the 15-minute range breakdown. And look at this thing. I mean, I'm not going to say that I sat here and held for this whole entire move down, but something to think about. It is really something to think about. Maybe like leaving one contract on, maybe, I don't know, 2 contracts, whatever it is. And look at this amazing move through the lows there. We push back up. We then break through there, a little bear flag, and we sell. And people were asking me like, well, how do I know where to target? Like, where's my target at? Okay. Well, if we break through here, we got support. Okay, if we break through here, what happens next? So if I draw this line across here, we know there's support pretty much at this level, which is great for us because if we break that level, we break the 15-minute opening range. I mean, that's a lot of just like, whoa, we're going down, right? That's not good for business for the bears, the bulls. They're battling, they're getting through there. So once we sell through this level, where do I look to target? Well, okay, let me just look to the left here. I got this level right here, right? I got this level at the 800s. I got this kind of level we bounced out. Okay, cool. Like if I know there's 800s and there's 730s, well, where is my target for this move down? Well, there you go. I'm targeting right there, baby. I'm targeting. There's my targets. Look what happened. Look where we're hitting. We're hitting it on the dot. It's not rocket science. Don't overcomplicate this shit, my friends. Look at it. I mean, would you just look at it? The 15-minute range breakdown. This really did play out beautifully as well because, like I said, we had that support there as well. And, well, the dollar kind of gave us some ideas of where it was going. We had a trend line. The dollar has been kind of bouncing, supporting, boom, boom, boom. We're looking at the dollar to show strength for the Nasdaq to sell and all that fun stuff. So if you're looking to figure out, like, where's your target at? Well, there's your targets. Looking to the left. Just zoom out, look to the left. Zoom out, look to the left. There's your 15-minute range breakdown. This is literally the most simple strategy that you could have when it comes to trading. 15-minute range. I don't even play it enough. I need to start playing it a lot more than I do. But in general, I mean, when it's this good, it's this good. This is a textbook breakdown type of setup. Both the Nasdaq and the ES selling back down here. They got stuck at support, well, stuck at resistance up there at the 960s. We sold down. We had a double top there from yesterday's high. Ding, ding, ding. And guess what? Look at the bigger picture, my friends. Zoom out. Look at the 15-minute chart. Look at the hourly chart. Spend a little bit more time looking at the bigger picture before you try to figure out what's going to happen in between these areas. Be like, okay, look. We got this resistance. We got this area. Okay, I'm going to get in. Well, look at this. I draw my line. This is the market flow trader. Perfect little setup here. The breakdown, the move. We got another bear flag right here. I mean, it's too good to be true sometimes. These bear flags playing out. Bang, bang, bang. We also had a beautiful trap here as well. Look at this trap. We talked about this over Saturday. Look at this trap right here. Look at how we pushed above this level. We get above it for a second. We get back below it. We get stuck there, and then we sell down. We suckered in the shorts to get covered. We suckered in buying pressure. We created more buyers here, putting in this, you know, higher low there. Then all of a sudden it's, woo! We're going downtown. So there's the move. There's the action. We did it live on YouTube. If you guys haven't already tuned in, 9:15 a.m., you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm not a Brit.